Hey guys, Ben here, and today I am super excited to be checking out the brand new iPhone SE. I picked up one of every new color, all in the base 64GB models. Now opening up the box, we are greeted with the phones in their protective wrappers. One thing to notice right off the bat with these new phones is that all three phones now have black fronts. Moving through the rest of the box, we get our basic iPhone paperwork, a charging cable, and a wall brick. But now jumping right into the review of this iPhone, what does Apple actually give you for $400, and why do I think this is the best valued iPhone ever? Well, first off, this thing features an A13 Bionic chip from the latest iPhone 11 Pro. This actually beats my current daily carry, the iPhone XS, in terms of performance, and means that this phone is not going to slow down for a long time. Furthermore, Apple added a number of minor feature improvements to this phone to make it stand out over purchasing just another old iPhone at this price point. This phone is waterproof down to 1 meter for 30 minutes, meaning you're good to use it in the shower or go take pictures by the pool. And speaking of taking pictures, Apple was able to improve photo quality using the processing power of the A13 chip. So now you can take photos with better dynamic range and make use of features like portrait mode, which was previously only offered on select models of the iPhone. Apple also integrated wireless charging into this phone and added an eSIM for those that like to have two phone lines. And this phone keeps many features from previous models that customers love, like the 4.7-inch display, Touch ID, and NFC tap to pay. This set of features at a $400 price tag makes this thing almost unbeatable in terms of value when compared to anything else on the market, even older generation used iPhones. I mean, to put this in perspective, this phone costs less than the latest generation Apple Watch and is only about $150 more than a pair of AirPod Pros. So who do I think this phone is for? Well, if you're watching this video, you at least have a sense if you're even remotely interested in it. So I'd say anyone using an iPhone 7 or older currently and wants something that's a decent bump in performance, has some new features, a similar form factor, and all at an affordable price, then this phone is the phone for you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this quick review of the brand new iPhone SEs. If you're interested in purchasing this phone, I'll leave links down below to where you can actually buy it. And while you're down there, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment letting me know what you thought of this review. And be sure to hit that subscribe button to catch any of my future uploads. Anyway, that has been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out. Catch y'all later. All right, Reggie, pick a phone, any phone. Oh, you want the black one? The black one your favorite?